Here behind me in Miami, Florida is a British double-decker. So this is a British themed double-decker bus here behind me, and I'll just show you the back of it. And the pub is called Churchill's Pub, and that's just over there with the big Union Jack and Winston Churchill himself, and it also says Pub Grub. So this is great to see, and here is the big double-decker bus.
Yeah, probably.
1979.
They're not even really used these anymore on new versions.
Just some chickens randomly scrolling along.
That's my sort of sandwich, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, big sandwich.
Put them on.
Bacon.
That'll set you up all the way from Amber.
Keep you going, Sam.
That's good you lost it. Good, good. Cormac lost about that quick.
I don't want to be losing any. I want to be gaining some.
I love this place.
Start eating more and not paying attention. Don't. Oh wow! Get a zoom in on that as well, coming up to it. Wow, that is a steep bridge. That's crazy. Here we are in Virginia Key. Right over here is an old stadium, so got lots of graffiti on it now, and it, you know, it does definitely look disused and old. However, you can imagine all up there, you know, packed out with loads of people. Can we? Oh no, they blocked that side off, haven't they? There's some really, really good artwork when you think of it here. It said, then artists keep it alive. At least the taggers have made good use to it, and the graffiti people have made good use of it. And then there's a nice little marina and harbour down here. Very nice sand as well, actually really nice sand. This is sand like in Bournemouth in England.
Grab the... It's going to crumble like most places do. Wow, fantastic. Really good. Right, proper exploring video, eh? Let's do it. And you could go here.
In here is a disused restroom, and there's lots and lots of graffiti all over this place. Here is where they would have served food, and you could have bought merchandise and everything. It's really nice to be inside and exploring, and we have got permission and we are allowed. You're not allowed to come in here, but if you get permission and you ask, you can come here, but you must have permission, as it is a no trespassing grounds. So I am climbing the stairs now, and it's really old and slippery in here, so you've got to be very, very careful. And if you do get permission, then you know, it's great to explore it, but just I don't want to sound like I'm going on and on, but it is a felony to go in here, so you want to make sure you get the permission. Yeah. And as we can see here, all of the chairs are wooden, so with the natural elements and the rain and everything, they have started eroding. Now another really interesting thing is certain parts of the concrete is cracking and also falling in, so that just shows you that even something as strong as concrete will end up, you know, deteriorating and has a lifespan.
First exploration video.
Out of nowhere, a tropical storm. We are in Miami, Florida.
Didn't have to do that. Most security.
She said her boss told her.
If it's foreigners and they want to worry. No, like England's a long fucking way away.
The rain has eased off, however, the thunder and lightning is still going, so I'm going to shelter under a palm tree. But you know what? A palm tree is not actually something you can easily shelter under because it's actually open. But here behind me is a really nice boat. There's lots of yachts and lots of boats in Miami. Even in the rain and the thunder and lightning, people are still having fun and listening to music. That's what you love to see. Just a little sniff.
Brilliant, that's really good. I like that.
Oh, we
We'll
will.
be back next year sometime. 6 months maybe.
Look at this lighthouse. A tall lighthouse, and also it looks old as well. You can see the old window on it there. Just zoom in. I'm sitting on the Lighthouse Keeper's front porch here at Cape Florida State Park, and really nice historic house. If you look, it's got the old brickwork, you know, it just has that old feel to it. Actually, it's got like a British look in terms of the bricks, but then this porch is a bit like, you know, like a country place, I don't know, an Oklahoma or a Wyoming or something, with the woods like this. And here is the lighthouse. So over here in front of me is a Florida cypress. Now stay with me because you're about to see a Florida cypress We don't see these in England, and if you're a lot of my viewers, which you are from England, you won't see one like this here. And I'm going to spin around for you right now. Just look at that. Usually a tree has one massive tree trunk. However, a cypress has loads of different ones shooting out of it. And just look at it, it's different. The bark's even different as well. I'm not a tree expert, but you know, those out there, you can tell. Just have a look at this tree here. This is a Florida cypress. I'm almost... It's rolling,
Look, it's
just
pretty-
record.
Let me let them get ahead because I'm gonna go. When I start moving, I'm not stopping.
No, neither am I.
Ready?
You need the thing to get you through. We've definitely cleaned underneath the car.
Okay, so we got to do the same thing here.
Yeah. Oh wow.
It's getting pretty deep.
Maybe the busy.
We're a little bit higher than her though, right?
You're a bit higher than that car.
Let them get out of my way. You should be happy that I'm showing you what to do behind me.
Yeah, you're showing them the way to get through.
Because if you get stuck, if that water comes in,
Traction's gone, yeah.
What's the deal with the drain system here then? It's non-existent.
Oh yeah, the keys keep moving, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it wasn't recording the whole time?
It was.
I'll be some Craig.
The parking lots are flooded. Sidewalk, yeah?
I don't know, you might get bogged down there, would you?
Oh, we'll go through.
On that side?
You are good at these, James.
That stop sign.
Don't get stuck.
Because I'm pushing the water back and forth.
Really back and forth, yeah.
Just